Are Uggs waterproof? Ugg boots are known for their cozy sheepskin lining and suede exterior, but not all Uggs are waterproof. While some styles are water resistant, classic Ugg boots can get damaged when exposed to water. This guide explains which Uggs are waterproof, how to protect them, and what to do if they get wet. 1. Are classic Ugg boots waterproof? No, classic Ugg boots are not waterproof. Made from twin-faced sheepskin and suede, which absorbs water. Exposure to rain, snow, or puddles can cause stains, water damage, and a stiff texture. Not designed for heavy outdoor use in wet conditions. 2. Are any Ugg boots waterproof? Yes, Ugg offers waterproof and water-resistant models, such as Ugg Adirondack and Butte boots. Fully waterproof winter boots, designed for snow and rain. Ugg Classic Weather boots. Look like classic Uggs but have a water-resistant finish. Ugg Rain boots, made of rubber and waterproof materials, perfect for wet conditions. 3. How to make classic Uggs water resistant. If you own classic Uggs, you can protect them from water damage by applying a waterproof spray. Use Ugg water and stain repellent or another suede protector. Spray evenly over the boots and let them dry for 24 hours. Reapply every few months for continued protection. 4. What happens if Uggs get wet? If your classic Uggs get wet, blot excess water with a dry towel. Don't rub. Stuff them with paper towels to maintain their shape. Let them air dry naturally. Avoid heaters, direct sunlight, or hair dryers. Brush with a suede brush once dry to restore texture. 5. Can you wear Uggs in the rain or snow? Classic Uggs, not recommended. They absorb water and may get ruined. Water-resistant Uggs can handle light rain and snow, but prolonged exposure can still cause damage. Waterproof Uggs, Adirondack and Butte. Best for wet and snowy weather, designed to keep feet dry. 6. Are Ugg Slippers waterproof? No. Ugg slippers are not waterproof. They are made of suede or sheepskin, which can be damaged by water. They should only be worn indoors or in dry conditions. 7. Best Uggs for wet weather. If you need Uggs for rainy or snowy conditions, choose Ugg Adirondack 3, women, or Butte boot, men, fully waterproof winter boots. Ugg Drizzlita or Sienna rain boots, made of waterproof rubber for rain. Ugg Classic Clear Mini, a water-resistant version of classic Uggs. Classic Ugg boots are not waterproof, but Ugg does offer water-resistant and waterproof options. If you own classic Uggs, applying a protective spray can help prevent water damage. For rain or snow, opt for Uggs waterproof boots to keep your feet warm and dry.